Hey there, Roger Burnley here, and I've been a coach for more than 25 years. And when I started out, and when a lot of my clients started out, we didn't sound like professionals. And so that's the question that I always get from a lot of clients who come to me. How do I start to sound like a pro singer, a professional singer? I'm going to give you something that I'm telling you, you could start to sound like a pro singer in 5 minutes if you just practice this little trick. And the little trick is just becoming aware of how you're using your vowel sounds. That's all it is, okay? And so you're going to have to think about this. I'm just going to use a tiny bit of the Star Spangled Banner. Now, if I'm not aware of this, I'm going to do things what I call use some wide sounds. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's I'm really exaggerating, but I want you to get the idea. That's what starts to happen. And I sound like a complete amateur as I'm doing that. Now, if you were to take that, okay, and just merely focus on hearing how you're pronouncing your words, and more importantly, I want you to think that you're placing all of your vowel sounds. That's the most important thing, your vowel sounds in the words. You're placing them right here in the center. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? You can hear that there's a difference already in the tone that starts to come through. Now, the reason I'm saying this is that the vowel sounds will definitely have an effect or cause your body to work in a particular way. It's weird. And it doesn't matter even what language you're singing. No matter what language you're doing, it's all the same. The vowel sounds are the most important. So if you were to take a song and just practice it that way, and sometimes just take the song itself and say the words, oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? All of a sudden, you'll start to sound like the pro that you've always wanted to be. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you'd like a free singing workout that's going to give your voice more vocal range, better tone, and much more freedom, click this button right here, and I'll take you to a page where you can get your copy emailed to you for free. And if you're on your mobile device, you might not be able to click the button, so instead, click the link in the description to get the free workout. And as always, like, comment, let me know if there are any questions you have or anything you'd like to see in these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Singing Made Simple, as there are a lot more videos on the way.